Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate the fake identities for for your research purpose, for training your generative models, or for any educational purpose as well. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser over any platform. For example, if I open the Chrome browser, now here you need to search for the fake name generator. Once you search for this, now here you're going to see this website which says www.fakenamegenerator.com. Just simply go over there. Now it will take some time for the verifications. Once it will done with it, now here you're gonna see the identity that have been generated for you. You can see the identity that is generated for you. You can use it, which has the name, the address, and all the other necessary details as well. So you can use it. These all are fake identities. They are not the real persons. So you can use it for educational purpose. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.